it's Brittany. We're in a car, so you know what that means. Today is going to be another vlog, and I'm super excited for this one because me and my roommates are going to Melrose, and we're just gonna do a bunch of things, and I'm super excited, and I don't know why. I'm just really excited to go. So we're gonna do a lot of fun things. The first thing on our agenda is we are going to get some good eats, and because we are such trendy queens, we are going to get acai bowls from this really cute place that I found. It's called Backyard Bowls. We truly love acai bowls. I did my makeup today, as you can clearly see. Wearing some jewelry from Stargaze Jewelry. Top is Forever 21. Shorts, I don't even know if you can really see them, are... I'm so sorry, I have no idea where they're from. So the next clip you will see, we will be eating, which is super exciting because I'm very hungry. This place is so cute and so trendy. I love it. Like, I'm a diehard fan. Like, I love acai bowls too. I'm a big fan of those. We don't have a lot of them in Jersey, so I'm hoping this one is really good. And the price was a really good price point for acai bowls as well. Look at this beauty. It is massive, and this is the small size. I'm so excited to eat this. Like, it looks so good. I'm gonna take a little. Oh my god. I'm so excited. It's very blue right now, I don't really know. And I'm going to take a picture of all our bowls together, so I'll get a shot of that as well. I keep looking at the viewfinder, I'm so sorry. First bite, I saved it for you guys. I haven't had an acai bowl so long, and it's so good. I'm so happy. I love life. Cheers. Oh, fuck. We all got our bowls. Do you love it? Do you love it?
She's thick.
She's thick. Ooh. We are all so happy. And like we'll just wait for the motorcycle. Like I said, this is the smaller size. Celine said like,
Everyone's like this.
It's like massive.
Huge.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
And it's really good price. So we love reasonable prices. And we're sitting outside under these really cute like plants. Very trendy, very cute. Okay, so we are headed to Glossier next. If you don't know what Glossier is, they only have a few store locations. I think this is only their second one. The other is in New York. So I'm super excited to go. They have online. Okay, I really haven't even said what it is yet. It's a makeup brand. They do skincare. Sorry, it's okay. It's okay. So they are a skincare and makeup brand. They're all about the natural. I am not the biggest fan. I did a Glossier review a while ago, mostly on their makeup. I am not the biggest fan of their makeup per se, just because it is very au naturel. But it is still like a super cute place, and I'm more into their skincare, so I'm more looking into their skincare products. Of course, I'm going to bring you guys around and show you, and it's super cute, and I can't wait to go see that mirror that says you look good. You know I'm going to take a picture there. So I'm just super excited, and we are obviously back in the car on the way there. Celine is our queen driver for today. Thank you, Celine. No problem. Ah! We're getting closer and closer. I'm so excited to go in. We're here! Yes. Yep. Yes. We've made it. It's so cute. I'm gonna die. I just want to say I am arriving in Glossier right now. Oh my god, it's so crowded. It's crazy. It's honestly not that great. But it is just so cute here, and I love it. Work here?
Yes. I like putting it on my nose. Did I? Yeah.
we just left Glossier. We will potentially be back because I'm considering buying the Milky Jelly Cleanser. Still on the fence about it. But now we are headed to the Pink Wall. If we see any stores we want to pop in along the way, we're going to stop. But today is just like such a fun day. It was so cute in there, so pink. It was amazing. I got some good photos. We are coming up. Oh my god, this place is cute. Yeah, okay. We've decided to randomly make a detour here. Oh, that is so cute. Being naked is the #1 most suitable option. This place is so cute. What is the name of this place? We have made it to the Pink Wall. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is exactly what I wanted to do. We're about to take photos of Celine. There she is waiting. I'm about to take the photos for her because I'm the true photographer. Like, let's be real. But isn't it so cute that there's so many other people here as well, just getting their photos. Whoops, I ran into this. Just left this really good ice cream place that I found called the Yogurt Stop. My boss at my internship recommended it to me, and they have vegan options for our vegan friend Celine, and we are just super happy. I got basic French vanilla yogurt. I just like a plain yogurt so that I can put crazy toppings on top. Emery, what'd you get?
Cake batter and cookie dough.
And cookie dough. Oh, her favorite, cookie dough. And then Celine, what flavor did you get?
I got the almond milk with Oreos.
And you think it wouldn't sound good, but Celine rates it highly. So if you're a vegan, you're in the LA area, and you want a good vegan ice cream, this is the place to go. And it only costs $4, which is a really good price point as well too. So highly recommend. This is potentially a really bad idea because I'm just balancing you on my tripod, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, so we just got back from everything. From Melrose, from yogurt, and I thought I would show you the very few things I got. I did not get too much. I'm not crazy, and I wish I was bougie, but I am not, unfortunately. So the first thing, we stopped in the NARS store. First off, I got a bunch of free samples because the guy was so nice and so generous. I got 2 free samples for tinted moisturizer and the NARS Orgasm Blush, which was super nice. But the one thing I did actually buy was the NARS Velvet Lip Glide. This is actually a new shade. Very pricey too, but it is a hefty bottle, which is good. But I got in the shade Swing. Let's put it on my lips right now. I'm super excited. It's a beautiful velvet formula. This is very hard to see. I'm used to the big camera. What I like about it is it's very my lip color. I mean, it probably looks the same to you guys, but I am a huge fan of Velvet Formula. It looks the best on me just because it's like hydrating and doesn't dry out, which is awesome. Sorry, I was looking at myself. Okay, and the other purchase, of course, because it was one of the main things that I was doing today, was Glossier, and I got this cute little brown bag, which is going to be super great to like recycle and continuously use. Oh my god, it has my name on it spelled wrong. That is so cute. But I like that it has a little door handle thing. So when you dump everything out, it's not a lot. I didn't go crazy, I swear. First, you get a free sample of the priming moisture. We love free samples. You cannot see it in the viewfinder, sorry. A bunch of stickers, which is awesome. And this cute one specifically for the Melrose place, it says Melrose in the corner, which is awesome. And then you get the classic like bag that you always see. And the Milky Jelly. I thought I bought the big one. Apparently I bought the small one. I didn't even realize. It's fine. I will use the small one too. It doesn't make a difference, but I really thought I bought the big one. I gotta pay attention more. How much did I pay? I gotta look it up, honestly. Go figure, the new battery died too. I'm gonna have to check my charger and see what's up with that. But if you guys like this video and you liked watching me, then you should press that subscribe button down below. It would mean so much to me. I hope you guys liked this vlog. I had so much fun today, and I will see you guys next week with another video. Bye!